So I started my love for landscape architecture with The Ohio State University. So I went to my first class, and he talked about asphalt and concrete and making places that people could enjoy the outside. And I thought, that was amazing. Creating places for people to create a memory with their family and friends. And that was, besides my son and my husband, one of the best things that I've ever done in my life.
It starts with trying to understand what is unique and authentic to the place that we're working. Why here? What's here? What are our options? What are our opportunities to create interest? And those become the icons of the community moving forward. Those become integrated to the DNA of the community.
We are very passionate about what we do and how we impact the community in a positive direction. So we try to do that every day on every project. We try to look for different ways to do things, innovative ways to do things, making sure that we can do the best we can for our clients and the communities that we work for.
EDG is special because in my view, we really do live that vision of being the community impact people. Every person here really cares about what they do. Every person here cares about the impact that that project's going to have. And it allows you to dream and to envision things that maybe other people wouldn't because they're not putting themselves in other people's shoes. But also, there's a commitment because you want it to be done well and you want it to be the right thing. And I think when you have a group of people that want to impact their community and they want to be part of that, it's a set of personalities and a set of skills that don't come together by accident.
I love coming into work every day. I love getting to work with all the different teams here. There's such a level of collaboration that I think that shows on our projects. It shows in our relationships with our clients.
What EDG did was pushed us to think about what could be possible. And so things that started as maybe concepts in our mind, they've helped us flesh out to real visions that get people excited. But because their planning and the process that leads to those plans and the outcomes of those plans are so inspirational that it creates momentum for the project, and that momentum can carry you over a lot of obstacles because people want to see it happen.
Cultural infrastructure is all about creating a connection with our history, our people, our community, and how can we tie what we've done in the past and what we've celebrated in the past to a place today.
So something like this is transformational. It's huge for a community when you can tie in a historical area like the river here with all the industry. And you're tying it in so many ways. It's not just a recreational tie-in. It's much more than a park.
The attitudes in the city have changed. It's great for the city. It makes the city a more attractive place to live.
There are very few projects that happen where you don't need some form of the environmental or the ecological evaluation, because everything that we're engaged in is outside the building. So when you're outside the building, as soon as you step out into the environment, you're going to have all kinds of things that you're going to have to address.
Having an environment in our name is very important to us. We all are passionate about trying to do what's best for our client and what's best for the environment. Everything we touch, every project that we do has some impact to the environment, and that's what we're passionate about protecting and sustaining for not only us, but future generations.
We play a major role in shaping the communities that we serve, and we don't take that lightly because we know that a lot of what we do will be around for generations and generations beyond us, and so we want to make sure that we're doing the right thing for the communities that we serve.
When I bring my kids here for a weekend or for a day and get them out on the water on the kayak, that they want to say, hey, let's go back next year. We really enjoyed that. It's creating those memories and that bond with the family to create memories and experiences.
The people that are using those things that we design or that are being impacted by those projects that we're part of, that's the real reason why we do what we do, ultimately.
You are who your partners are. And so I think through partnering with folks like Environmental Design Group, they have done projects that are defining communities for the better and are connecting people to the assets in their communities that really define those places. And so when you see somebody doing that level of quality and innovative work somewhere else, you naturally want to bring them in, have them explore your own assets, and partner with you to develop a plan that allows you to tap into those assets in a way that can transform your community or define your community.